Good morning students. Today we are going to see inserting options in Word document. We can insert special characters, symbols, then watermark, pictures, clip art. Like that we can add in our document. For that first we open any document by clicking start button. Then we can select the Microsoft Office Word 2007. The document will appear like this. Okay. Suppose we want to add insert any symbols means we can insert. Okay, wow. First for that we can place the cursor inside the document. Then go to the insert tab. In the insert tab there are number of groups available. In that we can click symbol button on the symbol group. Okay. A lot of symbols appears here. Suppose we want to add the summation symbol means we can click, the summation will be inserted. Suppose we want to maximize the size means we can click the home tab, then font size button, we can enlarge our symbols. Okay. Then suppose we want to add another symbol means first go to the insert tab, under the symbol group. Here more symbol options available. Click means the lot of symbols available here. We can add any symbols. Okay. Suppose we want to add the omega symbol means we can select it, then insert, then close the button. The selected symbol will look like this. Okay. Clear? Then we can MS Word also allows us to insert mathematical equations. What do you mean by mathematical equations? Do you know the formula to find the area of the circle? Yes. A equal to by square. This is the formula to find the area of the circle. Suppose we want to add that equations in our document means we can go to the insert menu. Then here equation symbols available here. Okay. Click A equal to bi-square formulas. This is the area of the circle. Suppose we want to add binomial theorem means we can choose this formula. Okay. First area of the circle, click A equal to bi-square. Okay. Then suppose we want to add binomial theorem means again click insert tab, in the equation group. This is the binomial theorem. Okay, the formula within second the formula will be inserted in our document. Okay, this formula you are studied in higher classes. Okay, now you are studying 6th only. Do you know the formula A equal to by square? Yes, this is the formula to find the area of the circle. What is the formula for find the area of the square? A equal to A square. Okay, like that we can insert any formula here. Okay, clear? Then next we want to insert pictures or clip art means we can insert. Place the cursor, then click insert tab, then click the clip art button here. Okay, clip art. The clip art pictures available here. Suppose we want to add this but picture means we can select, the selected image will be inserted here. Okay. Suppose we want to resize the image means we can by clicking this corner and drag the mouse means the size will be enlarged like this. Okay. Suppose we want to add pictures means take the new page. Okay. Go to the new page. Insert tab. Here picture button available. Okay. Then click the picture button. We can choose any picture from here. Okay. Okay, the picture will be appear here. We want to resize means we can resize. Okay, suppose we want to move means we can move the picture from one place to another place. We can resize the picture also. Okay, clear? Then next we see about how to insert the smart art. Okay, then click the insert tab. Here smart art. Okay, this is the smart art. What do you mean by smart art? It is nothing but collection of graphics. Okay, click the number of graphics available here. Suppose we want to this type of list means we can choose. Okay, suppose want another means we can select the options here. Designs will be appear like this. Okay, suppose we want this means we can choose. Click OK. We can type here. This is A. This is B, this is C, we can type any letter here. Okay, this is the Smart Art. Smart is a collection of graphics. Okay, then next we can insert the watermark. What do you mean by watermark? Watermark is a image that appears behind the text. Any text that it can be appear behind the text. Okay, that is called watermark. We insert watermark means first we go to the page layout tab. Okay, page layout tab. In that click the watermark options here. Okay, in the page background group we have to click watermark. These are the default watermarks available. Suppose we want to create our own means we can click the custom watermark. The dialog box will appear like this. Here we can choose any picture means suppose we want to insert picture now, we have to click this button and select the picture. Suppose we have to add the text means we click the text watermark. Here type the text. Instead of ACP I type Kongu Kalvi Nilayam. Kongu Kalvi Nilayam. Suppose our document have 1000 pages means within seconds all the pages will be displayed in behind the text Kongu Kalvi Nilayam. Okay, suppose we want to change the color means we can do it. Okay, change the color in the color options. Okay, then apply, close. Okay, do you see here Kongu Kalvi Nilayam? All the pages within, we typed only one time but all the page it contains Kongu Kalvi Nilayam behind the text. Okay, Kongu Kalvi Nilayam. This is the picture available, so here it will display. These are the watermark. Suppose we don't want this means we can remove the watermark. Again we go to the page layout and click watermark. Click remove watermark, will be removed from the document. Okay, clear? Thank you.